Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is indeed a favorite pastime for us. With our busy and concert lifestyle, gardening is the only way that keeps us connected to Mother Nature. Gardening gives us immense joy as we can see the herbs and plants growing right from the tender stage till it completely shoots and bursts into their green life. This literally gives us a sense of mortality which the living creators have on the planet. Gardening keep our daily life fresh, watering the plants, nature, nurturing them, cleaning them, all give us senses of freshness and calmness in our mind. A garden can be defined as a piece of a property that is structured around our house. Different kinds of trees, beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables, and so on are cultivated. People are fond of grooming many types of gardens. A flower garden, which consists of varieties of beautiful scented flowers. A fruit garden that holds nutrient fruits. A vegetables garden is very much loved by the households are they bear healthy vegetables which are then cooked and included in their meals are the best example apart from these potential gardens and medicinal herbs gardens that our diseases and we love to grow fruit vegetables garden near our homes as this give us the opportunity to savor the fruits of our hard work in real these kinds of gardens are known as garden of the kitchen. College have their own garden in order to work as a learning aid for the students. Gardening give us an insight into some of the best practices of the same. And gardens are a good and enjoyable pastime. Enjoying is a fan's lap of nature and is something which would seem artificial to the concerned common people but quite peaceful to the purchase peoples. They are busy to the part of the life hustling to get something and but gardening helps them to restart fresh their morning or evening. Thanks for watching.